What? Shweta's talking about Korean skincare? I mean, what is happening? Is it going to rain? Is there going to be thunderstorm, hailstorms? No, you guys, it is happening, alright? We are going to be talking about some of my Korean skincare product favorites. Now, I'm not going to lie, when in the last 1 year when I was in India and I saw this hype around Korean skincare, I had FOMO, okay? I had this fear of missing out because I wanted to see what the hype was all about. And when I was in London, before, I got stuck in India, I'm back by the way, I used to talk about Korean skincare. And here and there in my favorite videos or in my skincare videos, I used to speak about COSRX or Purito. But when I went to India, I wasn't very sure where to get my Korean skincare from. And when I started seeing everybody use Korean skincare, I was like, I need to get into this bandwagon. I remember very quietly and secretly, I went to this website called Limes Connect, bought my Korean skincare, and I was slowly, secretly testing this one out. They are the official partners and distributors for various Korean skincare brands, which makes me so much more at ease because whenever you see other websites, like for example, Nykaa, if they're selling a Korean skincare product, be rest assured that they have actually got their products from Limes Connect. They handpick certain ingredients that is suitable for Indian skin type. So it's a very intelligent research because whatever products that they have chosen in their website, just targets the climate, and all of their products are authentic and they've got various Korean skincare products and brands under their umbrella, and they just want to get you the best of the best Korean skincare products to your doorstep, without worrying about that shipping charge, customs. That's what I liked about it. It was such a pleasure shopping from their website. Please check the information bar for the website. It'll take you through and you can just be rest assured you're getting original Korean skincare brands, okay? So I shall take you through some of the 5 must-have from Claire's skincare because we all know that Claire's, Purito, COSRX, these are much loved brands in India. And they did introduce me to another Korean skincare brand, and that is Too Cool for School. I've heard a lot of people on the internet talk about it. Alright, the first one is their bestseller. This is the Claire's Freshly Juiced Vitamin Drop. This has got pure vitamin C, 5% stable vitamin C, and it's also got centella extracts. Now the second ingredient is ascorbic acid, which is pure vitamin C, but apparently thanks to its latest Korean skincare technology, the formula is more stable and has a longer shelf life, and maybe that is why it is kept in a clear bottle. If you are someone who's starting off with your actives and you're looking out for something very, very gentle, 5% vitamin C like this one will do the trick. This is a very non-irritating formula, and what really caught my attention was the texture, you guys. The texture is unlike any other vitamin C serum I have ever tried, okay? On application, first of all, it's very, very lightweight. The skin easily absorbs it. But when you apply this, you're going to have, it's not a tingling effect, but there is this warmness that happens on your face. Your face starts to get warm. It's as if the vitamin C is giving you a nice hug. So if you have extremely sensitive skin, probably that sensation you wouldn't enjoy. After about 2 or 3 months on continuous use of this, you definitely start to see a difference. Ascorbic acid does that, okay? And this is a stable vitamin C. You can apply it in the morning as well. You can even apply it at night. I highly recommend the vitamin C drop from Claire's. The only thing, if I have to give a feedback, is that I wish that it came in a dark amber bottle. I did not sense any fragrance in this. I'll definitely recheck on that. So glad I got it restocked. Thoroughly enjoyed it on my second bottle right now. Highly recommended. The second must-have product from Claire's Skincare is the Gentle Black Deep Cleansing Oil. This is also something that is very, very difficult to find, always sold out. So if you find it, please stock up on this. This is a gentle, calming cleansing oil. I don't usually play around with too many cleansing oil. I like something that has got that butter kind of a texture where I can just warm up in between my fingers and then massage on the skin. But I think this is the first time that I have thoroughly enjoyed the cleansing oil. First of all, the texture is very, very lightweight. And when you remove your makeup, it has to be a pleasurable experience. And that's what this cleansing oil does. On contact with water, it just transforms into a creamy milk that gently and effectively dissolves all traces of your makeup, waterproof makeup. Claire's Gentle Black Deep Cleansing Oil has different natural oils like jojoba seed oil, sesame seed oil, blackcurrant seed oil, and black soya bean oil. And if you see the individual oil profile, you would understand why there was a lot of thought process gone behind the formulation, I suppose, in bringing all these gentle oils together that is rich in antioxidants and oleic acids. And there are times when I become a little adventurous with this cleansing oil, because it's got that milky texture when water hits it. It just hydrates the skin so well that I don't even have to go for my face wash after that. That is only if I haven't applied sunscreen in the morning, okay? And I can understand why this is always sold out. Look at the packaging, the very easy pump applicator. You know, you can dispense as much as you want, and it's just wonderful. Now, when it comes to toner, it's divided into two. There are people who love their toners and people who do not. But this Claire skincare toner, once you try it, it's even going to change the mind of some toner snobs, okay? Because it is so perfect. Now, there was a supple preparation toner before. This is the unscented, essential oil-free version of it. It has a skin-soothing blend of plant-based extracts along with deeply hydrating hyaluronic acid and centella extracts. The toner helps balance the skin's pH level, and it's so effective. It just enhances the skin's absorption ability. It has wheat amino acids that just helps in reducing redness and inflammation for the skin, and it complements other serums and creams. That's the best part about this toner, that it just is so compatible that serums and other creams sits very well on your skin after this, and plant extracts like centella just helps to soothe the skin. So this is that toner for you sensitive skin peeps. I will definitely restock on this again and again, and I will keep on suggesting and recommending this toner, especially for people who have got extremely sensitive skin. Now the next one is a serum that goes very well after the toner. Now, if you are someone who wants to stick to the brand of Claire's, that is toner, serum, moisturizer, now check out this one. This is the Claire's Rich Moist Soothing Serum. Now, I have used this before. This is my favorite serum. This is extremely lightweight. It's got such wonderful ingredients in this, you guys. First of all, the skin easily absorbs it, doesn't give that non-sticky serum feel, and at the same time, it hydrates and plumps up your skin. The consistency is a very water gel sort of a formula, so even if you have normal combination, extremely oily skin, you are going to so enjoy this, even if you are acne prone. And it's got ingredients like celery, carrot root, and broccoli extract, which just helps in calming the redness. So those three ingredients are very good for someone who's got an irritated skin. So the times when my skin is extremely irritated and I want something to calm me down, a no-brainer of a product that you just know it's going to be effective, does the trick. This serum definitely does that. And if you see the ingredient list, it's got propanediol and it's got rich humectants like butylene glycol and betaine. Okay, so that is why it gives that deep hydration for your skin, and it just makes your skin ready for other actives and other skincare products. It seeps into the skin beautifully without leaving any stickiness or tackiness. If you're the kind of person who doesn't like to apply face creams in the morning and you're looking out for a hydrating serum that will just nourish your skin, will plump and hydrate, then you can definitely apply the serum. Alright, beauties, last but not the least from Claire Skincare is the Rich Moist Soothing Cream. This deeply moisturizes the skin without feeling heavy or greasy, and it just helps restore the oil moisture balance, and it strengthens the skin's natural barrier. It has a very non-sticky finish, okay? It's suitable for all skin types, and this is that one cream. I always look out for cream that goes with various actives, especially for a retinol. This is just brilliant. Again, another product that is most of the time sold out because it is just that great. But this is a beautiful moisturizing cream in a travel-friendly packaging. And guys, you know why I love this cream is because for me it is very innovative. It's unlike any other moisturizing cream that I've come across because of the hero ingredients out here. It's got shea butter, it's got ceramides. You guys know I absolutely adore ceramides, but it's also got beta-glucan. Beta-glucan is derived from mushrooms, which is found mostly in America. It's so potent in its antioxidants. It locks in the moisture like no other, and it is even better than hyaluronic acid. So I haven't come across too many creams, facial creams that has got beta-glucan. A must-have face cream, you guys, especially for sensitive skin, for all skin type, because this is not too heavy at the same time. So even if you have extremely oily skin, you can definitely enjoy this one. This is such a beautiful moisturizer. That completes the 5 must-have products from Claire Skincare, and my god, has my skin thoroughly enjoyed it. I can understand now why most of the times these products are sold out, or why it's most sought after, because they are formulated well. They're very gentle. That's the first thing that hits your mind when you start to apply this. So Also, a special mention to another skincare brand before I finish off this video is from this brand called Too Cool for School. This is the egg mousse soap, okay, and the other one is the egg mellow body butter. Of course, this is not a vegan product because egg is the base of it. First of all, the egg mousse soap. It is extremely hydrating. It's got this mousse meringue kind of a texture that is filled with amino acids and milk protein and egg extracts that just gently nourishes your skin, just does it well without clogging your pores or tightening your pores or tightening your skin. Guys, if you're a vegan, this is not the one for you, but if you generally like playing around with egg extracts in your DIYs, then this is a safer formulation and a less messier kind of a face wash, okay? The same thing goes for the egg mellow body butter. As soon as I get out of the shower, when my body is nice and warm, I take a scoop of this rich, creamy, butter-like body cream, okay, that just melts into the skin but leaves a film of hydration. You can just, when you touch your body skin, you would understand what I'm trying to tell you. See, I'm so stoked about it. It's the feeling of that cream and the fragrance of that cream that just sits so well on my body. It's going to last you for a while because you need just a tiny bit to moisturize the entire body, because they've got sweet almond oil, sesame oil, jojoba seed oil, macadamia seed oil, apricot kernel oil, argan oil, and I've not had too many body creams that's got macadamia seed oil. It's got, you know, the yolk extract, egg yolk extract, and it's also got shea butter, which is fabulous. It's just a pack of hydration. So that completes, in my humble opinion, my top picks, my favorites, the best of the best Korean skincare products that I have tried. This is part one, obviously. I shall see you in my next, you guys. Let me know what has been your favorite Korean brand, Korean skincare product, so that I could try more and more and make more videos for you. I'll see you when I see you. Until later, bye for now.